الرحمن الرحيم. أبناء وبناتي طلاب الأعزاء طلبة الصف الثاني الإعدادي لغات، ازيكم يا أبنائي؟ عاملين إيه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. هنشرح إن شاء الله من كتاب المعاصر lesson number 3 unit 1 operations on real numbers. What's the meaning of operation? Like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. About like this example, 5 root 2 subtracted by 3 root 2, we can find the result between them if we add together, because 5 root 2 and negative 3 root 2 we have similar or like terms. The result, if we add together, the result will be 2 root 2. Okay, we called it number outside of the coefficient, and this index, this sign we call root sign. Predicand here 2, 4 cubic root of 2, 4 product by cubic root of 2. Okay, so we can find the result between the numbers if we have similar like terms. If we have different, we can find the result. Like this example, choose the correct answer. Itself number 1. Root 7 plus root 7 we can add together. Root 7 plus root 7 equal to root 7. Number 1. Root 7 plus root 7 equal to root 7. Okay. Understood? We can eat together here. And next question. Number 2. We can raise the result about number 2. 2 root 2 subtract by 3 root 2 equal 2 minus 3 equal negative 1. Then the result will be negative 1 root 2. It's meaning negative root 2. Next question, number 3. Number 3, we can find the result in the simple form. Number 3, we have 2 root 3. Okay, the 2 root 3 here plus 3 root 3, we can add together. We have 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then the result will be 5 root 3. Okay, choose 5 root 3. Next question, number 4. If x equal 9 root 5 and y equal 5 root 3, then x minus y equal. Okay, we can find the difference between x and y. Okay, because we have similar terms here. X subtract by y equal, right, x equal 9 root 5 subtract by y 5 root 3. Okay, the result will be not change because we have difference. Okay, you have differences, and the answer will be the same. Okay, choose the third D, because 9 root 5 and 5 root 3 the difference terms, not like. Next question. Second, multiplication and division by properties. Like, check with me this question. You can read this answer. This question and answer, okay, and I will solve with you questions. Try to solve number 2. Find the value of each of the following. Number 1, we have negative 7 root 2 product by 5 root 2. Negative 5 times 7 equal negative 35. Root 2 times root 2 equal root 4 equal 2. Okay, root 2 times root 2 equal 2. Then negative 35 times 2 equal negative 70, because 2 times 35 equals 70. Next example, number 2. We have 5 product by 6 root 7 over 2 root 7 product by negative 4. Okay, product by negative 4. We know root 7 divided by root 7 equal 1. 5 times 6 equal 30, and we have negative here. 2 times 4 equal 8. And then you can simplest also divided by 2 numerator and denominator. We can divide it by 2, it will be 15, and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. And then you can write 3 outside. 3 times 4 equal 12, and the remainder 2. Convert this number from proper to mixed number. And also you can divide it 2 over 4, it will be half. Again, we have 7 by 7, and we have 5 times 6, over 2 times negative 4. We can sample this also. 3 and 3 times 5, 15 over 4 and negative 1. Okay, you can write 4 and 3 times 4 equal 12 and the remainder 3. Okay, 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 times negative 4 equal, or 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times 4 equal 4. 3 times 5, 15, and the sign here outside. 3 times 4 equal 12. 12 plus 3 equal 15. And the result negative here. Understood؟ فاهمين يا ولاد؟ احنا عندنا هنا روت 7 وروت 7 هتختصر مع بعضها، فاهمين؟ يعني ده similar. وعندك هنا 6 divided by 2 3. 3 times 5 15 over negative 4. تقدر تحول الميكسد نمبر والنيجاتيف معاك. طيب هنا question number 3 we have cubic root of 5 or power 3 reduced by 2 root 5 over 5 root 5. We know 5 root 5 by root 5 we can cancel together, and up cubic root of 5 power 3 it will be 5 times 2 over 5. We can cancel 5 divided by 5 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. Next question. This example we must convert the numerator to whole numbers or rational numbers by product by root 3 is the first one. The solution here. I will solve the next question by yourself. Let me the solution here. Try solve number 3. Write each of the following numbers in the simplest form so that the denominator is integer. Number 1, we have 3 over root 7. We can product by root 7 numerator and numerator. Root 7 times root 7 equals 7, and 3 times root 7 equals 3 root 7. The simplest form, 3 root 7 over 7. Number 2, negative 4 over root 3. We can product by root 3 numerator and numerator. We can write negative here, and root 3 times root 3 equal 3, and negative 4 times root 3 it will be negative 4 root 3. Then the result will be negative root 3, negative 4 root 3 over 3. Question number 3, 9 over 2 root 6. We can product by root 6 numerator and numerator. Then we can write 9 here, root 6. 2 times root 6 by root 6 equals 6. And then you can sample this together here. 6 divided by 3 equal 2, and 9 divided by 3 equal 3. Then the result will be 3 root 6 over 4. And the result will be 3 to root 6 over 4. Next example. Properties about addition, like closure and commutative. We can use a commutative at degrouping, associative properties, and also distributive properties about this number outside. We can product by the brackets or parentheses. The additive identity is 0. The additive inverse about the number raise the sign inverse, like A, the inverse with negative A, and multiplication or multiplicative inverse, it will be the number right inverse. We know the multiplicative identity is 1. 1 is the multiplicative identity. Okay, look at the example. Next example here, we can use distributive properties to find the result or write the answer in the simplest form. Now I will solve with you this question. Find page 39. Okay. Question number 1, find in the simplest form. We have 5 root 2 product by 3 root 2 subtract by 2. You can use distributive properties, write 5 root 2 product by 3 root 2. So first and second negative, and then write 5 root 2 product by 2. Okay, 5 times 3 equal 15, and root 2 times root 2 equal 2. 5 times 2 equal 10. Then the result will be what? 15 times 2 equal 30. Subtract by 10 root 2. Okay, it's the answer of this question. Next question number 2. We have conjugate terms here. We have 2 root 3 subtract by 3 product by 2 root 3 plus 3. we can write the result first by first and second by second. We have 2 root 3 by 2 root 3, it will be 2 root 3 power 2. Negative 3 times positive 3, it will be negative 9. And here 2 power 2, 4, and root 3 power 2 equal 3. Subtract by 9. Then 3 times 4 equal 12. 12 minus 9 equal 3. Then the answer here will be 3. Question number 3. Two root 5 plus 3 or power 2. 2 root 5 power 3 or power 2 and 3 power 2. In the middle, 2 times 3 times 2, 2 times 3 6, 6 times 2 equal 12, 12 root 5. 2 power 2 4 and root 5 power 2, it will be 5. Plus 2 12 root 5. Plus 3 power 2 9 and 4 times 5 20 plus 12 root 5 plus 9. 20 plus 9, it will be 29 plus 12 root 5. Next question number 4. Number 4. Okay, listen to me about number 4. We have 2 root 7. Number 4, we have 2 root 7. Minus 5. Product by root 7 plus 1. We can write first by first, it will be 2 root 7 power 2, and second by second, negative 5 times 1, negative 5. 2 power, we have 2 power 2, 4, and root 7 power 2, 7. Subtract by 5, and we have first by first and second by second, and also we can find the middle. Okay, they are not conjuncts, then we must product first by first and second by second, and the middle we have product streams and means. Then we can write 2 root 7 times 2 root 7, it will be 2 root 7 power 2, and negative 5 times 1, it will be negative 5. And then plus and brackets, write first here this number by 1, 2 root 7 times 1, it will be 2 root 7. يعني يا اولاد بنضرب الاكستريمز مع بعض وهنا المينز وبعدين نعملهم ايه simplest. يعني هنا 2 root 7 times 1 2 root 7, negative 5 times 2 root 7, it will be negative 10 root 7. 2 power 2 equal 4, يعني هنا الحل 4 product by root 7 power 2 7, 8 2. 2 minus 10 it will be negative 8, then the result will be negative 8 root 7 minus 5. So complete. 4 times 7 equal 28, and right here negative 8 root 7 negative 5. 28 minus 5, it will be 23. 23 minus 8 root 7. It's the simplest form about this example. Okay, understood. Now itself next time. First, to convert denominator to whole numbers or integer, you must product the construct of denominator. يعني ولاد لما يجي لك example زي ده وعايز تحوله يقول لي make the denominator each of the following number in integer، ولازم نعمل برودكت ذا كونجكت للدينومينيتور اللي عندك اللي هو 5 روت 3 ده، لازم نعمله برودكت للايه؟ للكونجكت اللي عندي. انا عندي هنا 1 over 5 plus root 3 والبرودكت باي 5 minus root 3 over 5 minus root 3. طيب 1 times 5 minus root 3 equal 5 minus root 3. خد بالك الدينومينيتور هنا بيكون كونجكت، لما تيجي تعمل برودكت للدينومينيتور بتاخد first by first and second by second. 5 by 5 25. root 3 times negative root 3, it will be negative 3. Okay, and also the difference between 25 and 3, it will be what? It will be 22, and up here in the numerator 5 subtracted by root 3, then the result will be 5 minus root 3 over 22. Okay, understood. Next question number 2. We have 11 over 4 subtract by root 5. We must product the conjunct 4 plus root 5, and there 4 plus root 5. 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, up we must write 11 outside. Don't use distributive papers. اوعى توزع، دايما سيب الاوت زي ما هو، اوعى توزعه. خلاص، يبقى 4 times 4 plus root 5 over 4 plus 4 times 4, 16. Negative 5 root 5 times 5 times root 5, it will be negative 5. Then 11 here, 16 minus 5, 11, cancel by 11. The result will be 4 plus root 5, it's the simplest form. Question number 3. We have 4 over root 7 subtract by root 3. We can product by the conjugate of denominator. Root 7 plus root 3, and here root 7 plus root 3. Write 4 and root 7 plus root 3, up and down the conjugate here, first by first and second by second. Root 7 times root 7 equals 7, and root 3 times root 3 equals 3. Then the answer here must be right for outside, up. Root 7 plus root 3 over 7 minus 3, 4. We can divide the 4 by 4 equal 1. 1 times root 7 and 1 times root 3, then the result will be root 7 plus root 3 in the simplest form. Next question. Next question here. Find the simplest form of additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of each of the following. Okay. In this example خدوا بالكم يا ولاد، هو عايزنا في الاكزامبل يجيب الاديتيف انفرس ونجيب كمان المالتيبليكاتيف انفرس. فانا هجيب الاديتيف انفرس للاكزامبل اللي عندي اللي هو نيجاتيف 7 روت 3. اول مطلوب معايا اللي هو الاديتيف انفرس بغير الساين، فيبقى عندي نيجاتيف 7 روت 3، ده اول مطلوب. طيب السكند بقى هجيب الريسيبيكال ده، يعني اقول 1 اوفر 7 روت 3 واخد النيجاتيف زي ما هي اوتسايد. Okay, to symbolize this fraction we must product by root 3 numerator and denominator. لاحظ معايا دايما الدينوميريتور لما يكون في روت لازم نتخلص منه. يبقى انت جبت دلوقتي اول حاجه عندك هنا مطلوب منك الاديتيف انفرس. المالتيبليكاتيف انفرس عشان تقلبها هتلاحظ ان الدينوميريتور في روت، فلازم تتخلص من الروت ده، فتعمل برودكت روت 3 هنا وهنا. هيبقى معاك هنا في النوميريتور هتقول نيجاتيف روت 3 وهنا الدينوميريتور 7 وروت 3 تايمز روت 3 equals 3. In the result in the simplest form write negative root 3 over 3 times 7 equal 21. يبقى negative root 3 over 21. Question number 2. The additive inverse it will be negative root 3 over 3. طيب هنا لما اجي اعمل اكزامبل اجيب الريسيبيكال ازاي يا مستر؟ الاديتيف انفرس بقى بحسبها ازاي؟ بقلبها، بقول 3 هنا وروت 3، ولكن ما بسيبهاش كده لان الدوميريتور ما ينفعش يكون فراكشن، ما يكونش روت، فلازم اعمل برودكت لل 3. خلاص لازم الدينوميريتور يكون راشونال نمبر. برودكت باي روت 3 then root 3 times root 3 equal 3. We have a numerator 3 times root 3. We can divide it 3 by 3 1. 1 times root 3 equal root 3, then the answer will be root 3. Next question number 3. 2 root 5 minus 1. The additive inverse we can change the sign about first and second. Then we'll be have negative 2 root 5 plus 1. It's additive inverse. And the multiplicative inverse about this example we can write 1 over 2 root 5 minus 1. To symbolize this fraction you must product conjugate of denominator. The conjugate of denominator here you must change the sign down here, it will be negative like this. Negative sign will be positive. Write 2 root 5 plus 1 and 2 root 5 plus 1, and then you can symbolize it. You can symbolize, write 1 times the numerator, it will be 2 root 5 plus 1, and denominator we have conjugate. To product conjugate first by first and second by second. 2 root 5 times 2 root 5, it will be 4 times 5 equal 20. 2 times 2 4, root 5 times root 5 5, 5 times 4 20. Negative 1 times 1 equal 1, and then the result will be 2 root 5 minus 1 equal 19. 20 minus 1 equal 19. It's simplest form about this example. Okay, understood? Next question. Try it yourself. Finish. Okay, next question. Shelf number 7. The cube has a volume 27 cubic centimeter. Find the sum of each length and its total area. Okay. This question number 1. You can find first the length equal cubic root of the volume, because the volume equals side by side by side. The volume of cube equals side by side by side. Then we can product 3 by 3 by 3 equal 27. Then the length will be equal cubic root of 27. Then the length will be equal 3 centimeter. And then we can find total area. Total area equals 6 product by L power 2. Because the cube has 6 faces. Each face is a square. The area of each face equals L power 2. Then we have 6 faces. In the total area, we can write total area equals 6 product by side power 2. Then 6 times 9. 6 times 9 equal 54. Then the result will be 54 square centimeter. Next question number 2. The dimensions of rectangle prism are 2 root 2, 7, 5 root 2. We can find here example the total area and the volume. We can find the total area by product length by width and width by height and length by height. Okay. And to find the volume, you must product length by width by height. Okay. First, you won't find what the total area. Okay. First, we can find total area. Total area equal length times width plus length times height plus width times what? Times height. Okay, it's total area. Length times width. So length here we 2 root 2 product by width 7 plus length was 2 root 2 product by height 5 root 2 plus width times height. The width here 7 product by the height 5 root 2. Okay, this rule you must put in your mind. In the total area equal 2 times 7 equal 14 root 2. 2 times 5 10. 10 times root 2 times root 2 2. 2 times 10 equal 20. And 5 times 7 35 root 2. In the total area equal 14 plus 35. We can add together. We have like terms here. Okay, 5 plus 4 equal 9. 3 plus 1 4. 49 root 2 plus 20 is total area square centimeter. And then you can find the volume. We can find the volume equal length product by width product by the height. So the volume here equal the length was 2 root 2 product by 7 product by 5 root 2. Then the volume will be equal 2 times 5 10. 10 times 7 equals 70. Root 2 times root 2 equal 2. 2 times 70 equal 140 cubic centimeter. Okay, it's the volume of this example. Okay, now we will solve from the book questions like question number 1. Okay, we have root 3 plus 2 root 3. We have 1 plus 2 equal 3. Then the result will be 3 square root of 3. Okay, question number 3. 2 root 5 subtract by 3 root 5 plus root 5. We have 2 plus negative 3 negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 0. Then the result here will be 0. Next question number 7. 2 root 2 plus 3 cubic root of 5 plus 5 square root of 2 subtract by cubic root of 5. We can use here commutative and associative properties to find the result. Okay, we can write here 2 square root of 2 plus 5 root 2 plus 3 cubic root of 5 subtract by cubic root of 5. 2 plus 5 7. Then the result will be 7 square root of 2. 3 plus negative 1 equal 2. Then the result will be 2 cubic root 5. It's the simplest form was example because this term is not like difference. Okay, next question. Find the result of each following. Number 1, root 3 product by root 3 equal root 9. Root 9 equal 3. Question number 4. We have third root 3 plus product by root 3, we can write third, and root 3 times root 3 equal 3. Third of 3 equal 1. Question number 7. Okay, pay attention with me. Number 7. We have 2 root 3 product by 2 root 7 over 7 divided by 20 root 3 over 5 root 7. We can write 2 root 3 product by 2 root 7 over 7, convert from division to multiplication and write reciprocal. About this fraction, we can write 5 root 7 up and 20 root 3 down. Root 3 cancel by root 3. Root 7 by root 7 equals 7. 7 divided by 7 equal 1. Then 1 times 2 times 2 equal 20. 20 divided by 20 equal 1. Then the answer here will be 1. To ask question number 7. Question number 1. 2 product root 2, it will be 2 root 2. And 2 times root 5, it will be 2 root 5. Understood? Question number 3. We have negative root 3 product by negative 5 minus root 3. Negative times negative positive. Root 3 times 5, it will be 5 root 3. And also negative times negative and positive. Root 3 times root 3 equal 3. And the result will be 5 root 3 plus 3. Okay, this is question number 3. Question number 5. Use distributive properties here. Root 7 times 2 over root 7. Root 7 divide root 7 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. Root 7 times root 7 equals 7. And root 7 times 3, it will be 3 root 7. 2 minus 7, negative 5. Then we have negative 5 plus 3 root 7. Root 7, okay? That was question number 5. Now, question number 4. Find the result of the operation. Question number 1. We have root 2 plus 1 product by root 2 minus 1. We have two numbers here, root 2 plus 1 and root 2 minus 1, they are conjugate. Then the rule tell me product by first by first and second by second. Root 2 by times root 2 equal 2, and negative 1 times 1 will be negative 1. Then the result will be 1. Question number 3. Root 5 minus 1 all power 2. Root 5 power 2, it will be 5. Negative 1 power 2, it will be 1. And the middle 2 times negative 1, negative 2 times 5 root 5, it will be negative root 5. Negative 2 root 5. And then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 subtract by 2 root 5. Okay, next question. This example also conjugate. بالمناسبة يا ولاد الأسئلة كتاب المدرسة دي كلها محلولة. حليت كتاب المدرسة كله الحمد لله، فالمسائل دي كلها أنا هحل معاك يعني بعض المسائل من كتاب المعاصر بحيث نلم الأفكار كلها، بالإضافة للفيديو تشوفه في حل تمرين كتاب المدرسة. Question number 11. هنا بيقول يا مستر make the denominator in each of the following as integer. Question number 11 we can solve the example. We have root 3 over 2 subtract by root 3. We can product by 2 plus root 3. Numerator and denominator. We have in denominator 2. We have here expression the conjugate. We can write first by first, it will be 4, and second by second, equal 3. And then we can write root 3 product by 2 plus root 3. And then 4 minus 3 equal 1. And we can write root 3 product by 2 plus root 3. Then the answer here will be root 3 product by 2 plus root 3. You can use the here distributive properties. Root 3 times 2 equal to root 3. And root 3 times root 3 equal 3. Then the answer will be 2 root 3 plus 3. Question number 12. We have root 7 plus 3 over root 7 minus 3. To solve this example, you must product the conjugate of the numerator. Root 7 minus 3 we can product by root 7 plus 3, and here root 7 plus 3. Okay, the conjugate root 7 times root 7 equals 7, and negative 3 times positive 3 will be negative 9. And up, look at this expression, we can use distributive properties. Root 7 times root 7 equals 7, and root 7 times 3 equals 3 root 7. And 3 times root 7, it will be 3 root 7. And 3 times 3 equal 9. Then you can simplest it. 7 minus 9 equal negative 2. And 7 plus 9 equals 16. And 3 root 7 plus 3 root 7 equals 6 root 7. You can simplest also this example by divided by negative 2 numerator and denominator. 16 divided by negative 2 equal negative 8, and 6 divided by 2, 3, and positive divided negative, negative. Then the result will be negative 3 root 7. It's the simplest form of this example, okay? Question number 10. X equal 2 over root 7 minus root 5, and y equal root 5 minus root 7. Root 7 minus root 5 is the value of x plus y all power 2. First step, we must convert x here. We know x is the denominator of x is a rational number. We must convert this fraction by product the conjugate of the numerator, root 7 minus root 5. We can product by root 7 plus root 5 numerator and denominator, root 7 plus root 5. And then you can write 2 outside here, and root 7 plus root 5 over root 7 times root 7 equals 7. Root 5 times root 5 equal 5. Then the answer here, we can write 2 product by root 7 plus root 5 over 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. And the result will be 1 times root 7. It will be root 7 plus root 5. So this is the value of x. Now he won't find in this example a2 x plus y, and then the answer power 2. We can write x here, root 7 plus root 5, and then 8y. Y equal, he give us in the example y here, root 7 minus root 5. Right, 8 root 7 minus root 5. We can simplest root 7 plus root 7 equal to root 7. And root 5 plus root 5 negative root 5 0 power 2. And the answer will be equal 2 power 2 equal 4. And root 7 power 2 equal 7. 4 times 7 equal 28. Then the answer here will be 28. That was question number 11. Find the simplest form of the expression. He gave me a and b, but b must convert by product the conjugate of the numerator. Okay, look at with me here. We have p equal 1 over root 3 plus root 2. We can product by the conjugate of the numerator, root 3 minus root 2, and here root 3 minus root 2. And then we can write numerator by numerator. It will be root 3 minus root 2. And denominator, root 3 times root 3 equal 3, and root 2 times negative 2, it will be negative 2. And the result will be the value of b equal root 3 minus root 2. It's the value of b. Then we can find e minus b all power 2 over a plus b all power 2. A minus b, a here equal root 3 plus a equal root 3 plus root 2, okay? Subtract by b. b equal what? Give us b here, but we must product. خد بالك لازم تكتبها جوه براكتس، لأن في نيجاتيف. لما تبقى في التمرين نيجاتيف يا ولاد لازم نكتبه بره كده والبي جواه. يبقى نيجاتيف واعمل اوبن براكتس كده واكتب جواه نيجاتيف روت 3 minus root 2 over a plus b all power 2. a was root 3 plus root 2 plus b. b equal root 3 minus root 2. Okay, and up we have power 2. Okay, in the numerator we can simplest. We can cancel together. Root 3 plus root 3 equal to root 3, and up right root 3 plus root 2, negative times the positive negative, negative root 3, and negative times negative positive root 2 all power 2. And then we can simplest it. Root 3 minus root 3 0, 2 root 2 plus root 2 equal to root 2 over 2 root 3. Understood? We have out here power. And then you can simplest 2 power 2 4, root 2 power 2 equal 2, 2 power 2 equal 4, root 3 power 3 power 2 equal 3. We can cancel 4 by 4, then the result will be 2 over 3 in the simplest form. 2 over 3, okay, understood? Next question, 12th question 11. Question number 12, we have x and y. We can eat together up and down x times y subtract by 1. Okay, question here number 12. Put x plus y. He wants x into y and denominator x times y subtract by 1. We can product x by y. We know x and y is a conjunct. Here we write root 5, x equal root 5 plus root 2 product or plus 2. Okay, plus. It's 8 2 root 5 minus root 2. And denominator x times y, we have root 5 plus root 2 times y equal root 5 minus root 2. فاهمين يا ولاد؟ انا بعوض مكان الاكس والواي، هنا الاكس وهنا الواي، وفي عندي نيجاتيف 1 في الاكزامبل باخد بالي منها ما انساهاش، شايفها؟ نيجاتيف 1. بعد كده نيجاتيف هتروح مع البوزيتيف وروت 5 بلس روت 5 يبقى تديني 2 روت 5. داون هنا كونجكت بقى يا مستر، يبقى روت 5 تايمز روت 5 ب 5. روت 2 تايمز نيجاتيف روت 2 equal نيجاتيف 2 all minus 1. The result equal to root 5 over 5 minus 2 3 3 minus 1 2 2 divided by 2 1 1 times root 5 equal root 5. Okay, this is the simplest answer about this question. Understood? Next question about question here. Okay, question number 14. The dimension of rectangle are have length and width. Increase the perimeter and its area. Okay. This question number 14. We know the perimeter equal twice the sum of length and width. Okay, we can write 2 product by length and width. We must put length and width. The length was 6 plus root 5 plus width equals 6 minus root 5. Then the perimeter equal twice. We can add together, cancel, and 6 plus 6 equal 12. Then 2 times 12 equal 24 centimeter. And the area equal length times width. The length here was 6 plus root 5. Reduced by width 6 minus 6 root 5. We can write 6 by 6 equal 36, and root 5 times negative root 5 it will be negative 5. 36 minus 5 it will be 31 square centimeters area, and here the perimeter. Okay, all this question I solve it at the book. Okay, this is science reverse to the book. Okay, I solve it last video. Okay, you can see the video to solve it. Okay, creative thinking. If the reciprocal of the root e minus 1 is root e plus 1 over 4, find the value of the number a. Okay, we can find the reciprocal about this number 1 over root a minus 1. It's the reciprocal of this number. He give us this information. يعني يا ولاد هو قال لك الريسيبيكال للاكسبريشن ده هيكون ده، فانت بتجيب الريسيبيكال للاكسبريشن هيعطيك 1 اوفر روت اي ماينس 1 اللي هو روت اي ماينس 1 اوفر 4. طب نعمل ايه بعد كده؟ هناخد الاكسبريشن ده بقى نعمله سمبلست ونساويه بده. طب نعمل اكسبريشن ازاي سمبلست؟ يبقى انا هعمل برودكت باي الريسيبيكال او اعمل برودكت الكونجكت للدينوميريتور اللي هو روت اي بلس 1 وهنا روت اي بلس 1. then we can simplest. كمل معايا كده، هو له root a plus 1. الدومينيتور root a times root a equal a negative 1 times positive 1 negative 1 times أنا عندي هنا ده عبارة عن مين؟ equal root a minus 1 over 4. يبقى هنا بيساويه بروت a minus 4. بص خد بالك minus 1 over 4. فأنت هتقارن مع بعض، يعني هنا root a زي root a، هنا negative 1 وهنا ايه positive 1 وهنا a minus 1. مركز معايا؟ يبقى انت خدت الاكسبريشن ده لما قلبت عملت تايمز للريسيبيكال، وقال لك ان الريسيبيكال هيعطيك ده. دي كانت بوزيتيف اصلا يا اولاد مش نيجاتيف في الاكزامبل. بص كده كانت بوزيتيف، فانت بعد ما حلتها لقيت النوميريتور زي النوميريتور وبالتالي الدومينيتور زي الدومينيتور، يعني لازم المفروض ايه تبقى 5 لان 5 ماينس 1 تبقى 4 عشان يساويك ده، فالايه لازم تبقى بكام؟ ب 5. understood؟ دي فكرتها creative thinking بتاعنا، والحمد لله كده خلصنا الاكزامبل. في بقى مطلوب تشوز كويشنز برضه حلو معاك بسرعه كده، الاسئله ركز على اسئله معينه خلاص، وانت تابعني طبعا، والاسئله الباقيه انت المفروض تحلها خلاص، ما تسيبش حاجه لازم تحل وتذاكر. طيب نيجاتيف 2 روت 3 برودكت باي روت 3 نيجاتيف 2 تايمز 1 بنيجاتيف 2 روت 3 تايمز روت 3 يطلع معايا بنيجاتيف 6. كذلك كويشن اللي معايا نمبر 2 5 بلس 7 روت 2 subtract by 4 plus root 2. We can add together 5 with negative 4 and 7 root 2 plus root 2. 5 minus 4 equal 1, and 7 plus 1 equal 8. And the result will be 1 plus 8 root 2. Okay, understood? All this question I solve it as a book. Okay, next question, like question 8, we have x and y. We want 8x plus y in brackets and then find the power of the result. Okay, we can write x plus y equal 0 equal all power 2. Put the value of x equal root 2 plus 10 plus y equal root 2 minus 10. We can cancel negative 10 by negative 10, and root 2 plus root 2 equal 2 root 2 all power 2. 2 power 2 equal 4, and root 2 power 2 equal 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. And the value here equal 8. We can also complete this example about question number 11. What is the multiplicative inverse of the number root 5? It will be 1 over root 5. We can write the reciprocal 1 over root 5. طيب تبقى multiplicative inverse قلنا 1 over root 5 and هعمل product by root 5 numerator and denominator. Then the result root 5 times root 5 equal 5, and 1 times root 5 equal root 5. And the answer will be root 5 over 5. Understood? Next question. خلاص كده lesson 4 إن شاء الله lesson next lesson. Goodbye.